Well, this is our 24th Street Permeable Concrete project. This is a stormwater capital improvement project. The origin of this project, there used to be kind of some puddling going on in the road here from stormwater and heavy rain events, creating a safety hazard for drivers and pedestrians, especially in the winter when it would freeze over. As Stormwater Utility was coming up with different ideas about how to resolve this, we started thinking more and more about permeable surfaces. So this is 170 feet from the beginning to the end. It's all permeable concrete. We've got several driveways as well. And that water, when it hits that concrete, it's gonna flow right through into a stone reservoir underneath of it. Some of that water will dissipate into the ground, and some of it, if it's not, will be collected and discharged outside of the site. It's a really, really neat technology. It's something that the city hasn't really utilized very much so far, but more so in parking lots and private developments. So we started thinking about that and all the benefits with it. Permeable concrete has a lot of great benefits. It can help with the heat island effect. It soaks up less sunlight, so it's cooler than regular asphalt. It can slow down stormwater runoff, protecting downstream streams and infrastructure. It also is really good in the winter. It helps the ice and snow thaw faster because it traps heat in those pores. We're kind of treating this as a pilot project for the stormwater utility. And we'd like to really implement it in different areas around the city. Not only does it have the benefits I described earlier, it also prevents the need to install new storm pipes and drop inlets. So it can be really a cost-effective method for us to use in the future as well. You can go to our Stormwater Utility website. We have a description of the project and a few maps and that kind of thing. The ultimate goal is to prevent water from ponding on the surface. Water should be seeping through that concrete, thus creating a safer road for pedestrians and drivers.